Hi, welcome to A2Z So in this video today we are going to discuss about function composition in Scala. So we have various function types in Scala. So one such function we call it as function composition. So that is what the agenda of today's session. So if you see this function composition, I have taken a lot of Scala videos I have recorded and I uploaded in my YouTube channel, and you can see all those videos in my playlist, and I have shared that playlist link in the description box of this video. So this function composition is something related to another topic called higher order function, which I have already uploaded a video. You can check in the playlist. So higher order function and function composition is kind of same, but when you see in practical, you will find what the difference that I'm coming to tell. So here this function composition is all about composing more than one function into one, or passing a function to another function is a function composition. So you can see here I have two methods, one is add to and multiply by 2, and here add to accepts one integer argument and returns an integer, and what I am doing is a plus 2 is just an addition, whatever value I get plus 2, and multiply by 2 is again an integer argument and I'm returning an integer, and what the computation I'm doing is a star 2, whatever the value I receive from here, into 2. Okay, so now here in my main method I just created a var object result equal to multiply by 2. So I'm invoking multiply by 2 function, this one, not add. If you see, I'm invoking multiply by 2 function and I'm passing add 2 method as a value for it. So if you see, add 2 is a function that accepts one integer argument. So what I'm doing is add 2 of 10. I'm just giving like that. So now this add 2 of, so your main will invoke first this function, and when it invoking this function, what happen is it will check what is the value for the function. The value for the function is another method. So what the compiler will do, it will first invoke this add to function and it will compute and it will get the result. So here 10 will be get substituted, right? So this 10 will be get substituted here. Now what happened? 10 plus 2, 12. So here 12 will come, right? 12. So now this 12 will be passed as a value to multiply by 2 method here. So now what happened? A into 2, that is 12 into 2. So the answer is 24, right? So I will just revert it back. Now I will run this code. So 24. So now you can see here I am just passing an output of another function, one function to another function. Generally, if there is no functionality of passing a method, passing a function to another function or composition, if such functionality is not there, what I have to do is I need to run this add to method and I need to record the output of add to, then I need to assign it to a variable, and then I need to pass some kind of a manual work comes into picture when such functionalities are not there. So here Scala has a flexibility towards functions. To provide this flexibility, Scala provides a lot of function types, like we have object oriented concepts, right? Inheritance class, objects, polymorphism, kind of. We have many other functions types like function composition, higher order function, and then anonymous function, partially applied function. Many other function types are there. So these types will allow us to have some control over the function. So in few languages we have these kind of concepts. We call those languages functional programming come object oriented programming languages. Scala is one such program, even Python is one such program, but Java has less function concepts. And if you see, even few concepts in Scala is there in C++ but not in Java. Okay, so this video is all about just to explain you what is this function composition, and you can relate it with your example. You can practice this in your machine. You can get this code in my website, and you can see those links in the description box of this video. So thanks for watching A2Z If you really like this video, subscribe my channel and forward this to your friends and colleagues. So we provide videos in many other technologies in two languages, English and Tamil. Thanks for watching.